response dot get count to see if we got some rows back in the response is equal to 0. It means that this is an error. We can use some logging information here. Android has a built-in logging information as well. Log class log dot, you can say debug, error. This is for E, this is for I, is for information. We do it for, I think we can give an error information out here. So let's write here the response is empty. The employee data response, employee table data response is empty. We can, let's say, define a tag here. Public, this is tag for our logging, public, then we can know from which class the log information is coming. Static final tag is equal to final, this should be a string, strng string is equal to database activity dot we can just simply use a string here and not make it, for now keep it simple, and just control X database activity underscore. So it will show us that this message is coming from this class. So simply we add the tag here, and that's it. So if the response will be 0, there will be no rows returned, then it will give us this error message. And we can also return from here, because there is no need to go ahead and enclose this in parentheses. That's it. And else we define a string buffer, call it data buffer, and is equal to new string buffer. That's it. And now data buffer. Now first of all, while this response cursor is not empty, response dot is first, move to first. What function you used? Is there any function for the next variable, just like we iterate over the iterators, or move to next? Yeah, move to next will move this cursor ahead after getting the first value and the second and the third, like this in a loop. And we can again open braces, and inside the braces we can do like data buffer dot append, and inside we can use, for example, response dot get integer, get integer, and we need 0. This will be our ID. We can write here like plus employee